तो आज है लास्ट डे और ये है ओपनिंग सेरेमनी एट मेकर फेस्ट। तो देखिए यहाँ पे सारे स्टॉल्स लग चुके हैं, सब ने अपना सेटअप कर दिया है, हमने भी सेटअप कर लिया। फिर बस चाय कॉफ़ी पी के हम लोग बैठे थे थोड़ी देर। देखिए तो यहाँ पे ये स्टार्ट हो चुका है और ये मेकर फेस्ट से ही आए थे और बस हर स्टॉल पे जाके उन लोगों का वीडियो ले रहे थे रिगार्डिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड देयर मॉडल्स। तो बस स्वाति और सानवी यहाँ पे इनको एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं। तो अभी बजे हैं 4 और यहाँ पे प्रेजेंटेशन सेरेमनी स्टार्ट हो गई है। यहाँ पे क्या है कि 1 बाय 1 टीम को अपना प्रेजेंटेशन देना है। तो 2 टीम्स के बाद अभी स्वस्ति और सानवी का टर्न है, तो सो दे आर वेटिंग हियर फॉर देयर टर्न। सो हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी इंतज़ार में बैठे हुए हैं। तो अभी स्वस्ति और सानवी का प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू होगा, उनका टर्न आ गया है। और गाइस प्लीज़ ये प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छे से सुनिएगा, ये इट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर वुमेन स्पेशली। तो अच्छे से सुनिएगा, ये मैं एडिट नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये मैं पूरे का पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन यहाँ पे पोस्ट कर रही हूँ।
Hello everyone, I am Swasti Acharya and I am Sanvi Saikia from grade 8. We are from New Era Senior Secondary School and we have made a woman safety device. We have made a woman safety device named T-Safe 365. Next. So in our device there is a locket with a button camera to capture images of the user's surroundings and send them in the form of email message to 3 contacts of the user. First is the family, second is police station and third is the place where she works. The device also has a hidden waist belt with a panic button which when pressed will send emergency alerts as well as the live location of the user to the same 3 contacts in the form of SMS message. Next. So the components that we have used to devise our device is that ESP32 camera that will capture the image of the woman's surroundings, NeoEmit and GPS module for tracking the exact location of the woman and it will send it to the contacted people. The SIM800L module that will be used for sending the alert SMS message. Next. The buck converter for regulating the output voltage, the charging module that will provide power supply to the battery, and finally Node MCU that will supervise or control all the components in the circuit. Next. According to a survey that we had conducted of around 201 women, we drew 5 conclusions. First, many women are not aware about safety devices. Majority of the women wish to have a GPS enabled and safety app in their safety device. Most of the women voted for all the features that are included in our device as well. And lastly, most of the women would like to wear a safety device in the future. These conclusions mean that our device has the future to be marketed as well. Next. So the advantages of our device are if the woman presses the button by mistake, then no message will be sent as the button requires a long press. If an image clicked, it would be directly sent to the 3 contacts and it won't be captured in the camera as the image could be leaked. While playing or swimming, the woman can keep wearing the device as the device is very comfortable as clothes and also waterproof. Our device is also cost effective with an expense of about 500 to 800 rupees. In future, we are planning to tie up with the government. So the government will provide subsidies to the poor people so that they could also afford the device. Next. So our T-Safe 365 has a few unique selling points. That is, it is easy to wear, it has real-time alerts and as well it will be compact when we'll sell it in bulk. The customization options, expansion to include global safety networks as well as it will be waterproof. Next. Our device has a cutting-edge technology used to provide safety to women. By the facility of sending live location images and alert messages, we help in sending the right communication at the right time to save lives of women. Thank you.
होप यू ऑल लाइक द प्रेजेंटेशन। और बस प्रेजेंटेशन ख़त्म करके हम लोग यहाँ पे आ गए और अभी कुछ ही देर में प्राइज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और वो सब शुरू होगा, तो वो भी मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी।
Has a button camera to capture and Swasti from New Era Senior Secondary School. Please give a huge round of applause. Come on guys, run. वीडियो ले रहे हैं।
given a prize amount of 2,000 to the third. The second winner gets 3,000, and the top prize of 5,000 will be sent to them to be collected in details and it will be sent.
Moving forward to Special Recognition Award by NetWeb Software, and it is offering rupees 2,500 each to the winners of Top Women Maker and Tech Woman Maker categories, followed by Galaxy Siftic is giving a Young Maker Award of rupees 15,000, which goes to stall number 32, Safety Device for Women as a button camera by Sanvi and Swasti again.
One more! Don't stop.
You have been as a tech woman. बहुत छोटे हैं अभी नहीं? There you are, right? So the prize amount will be sent. We are recognizing you that you are the one who have won the prize.
Give them a huge round of applause, audience.